So Caroline Leavitt, the White House press secretary, was giving a briefing pertaining to the Texas floods. And she gave descriptions of how the flood happened, XYZ. She also uh, stated some other things. But she sat there on that podium smiling, smiling. If you care so much about the Texas floods, why are you standing on the podium smiling? It's not nothing to smile about. She sat there smiling, folks. But at the same time, sitting up saying how they feel bad for the folks. How could you feel bad for the folks and you're smiling? Make this make sense. Where's the empathy? Where's the sympathy?